everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I am super excited about today's video because we are going to be talking about Amazon must-haves when it comes to home decor, okay? As some of you know, I have been busy decorating my home with just lots of new home decor, and when I tell you Amazon has been my best friend, okay? They have been showing up to your girl's door pretty much about 2 to 3 times a week at this point, okay? It is serious. So I've gotten some really nice things. I'm really excited about how my home is coming along, and I'm not forgetting about you guys. I will be doing room tours coming soon, okay? But being that Prime Day was coming up, I wanted to just share some of my favorite Amazon finds so far when it comes to home decor. That way you guys can pick up some stuff if you are interested. All right, so let's go ahead and get into the first item, you guys. So the first item plays such a big role in my decor because the theme of my home is I'm going for a luxury art gallery vibe, okay? So you can't have a luxury art gallery without gallery wall lights or picture lights, okay? So I actually have 2 types of picture lights. Both of them came from Amazon, but I'm gonna tell you which one is my favorite. So the first picture light I have in my office, I will link, if you missed my office tour, I will link that up above and also have it linked down below. So I do have this, I did this DIY painting, put it in my office, and I put a gold gallery light that I got from Amazon. This gallery light definitely elevated the space. My only con, it is remote operated, but it's battery operated. And when I put those lights in, when I first, finished my office, I was in my office all the time because it was the only room in my house that was actually decorated. So I spent a lot of time in there, and the battery went out very quickly, you guys. And I think it takes about 4 to 6 batteries, so it's a lot. I actually have not changed the batteries since it died the first time around. So that kind of tells you, my use for it. But it's super cute though, okay? So downstairs in my living room and in my kitchen, I also have paintings that I put on the walls, and I wanted gallery lights as well, but I wanted to try something different. So I found the perfect gallery lights. These are actually black, but they do come in other colors as well, and they are chargeable or rechargeable, okay? What I love about these lights is that it was so easy to put into the walls. Like, I literally did it myself, okay? So it just comes with a couple screws. It also comes with anchor screws if you want to, opt to use the anchor screws as well. But once you put the stand up on, once you mount the stand on the wall, okay, the light itself is actually magnetic. That is one of my favorite parts. I don't have to unhook and take things off the wall. All I have to do when the light is low and I want to charge it, I just simply reach up, snatch the light off the stand, and I just plug it in. And I can plug it into the wall, I can plug it into my laptop, whatever type of device you have to charge things, you can plug this light in to charge it. And I love it. When it needs to be charged, it turns red. Once it's complete charging, it turns green. And then all you do once it's done, take it off the charger and you just click it back up to the wall. So that is one of my favorite things to do. I actually got these lights because my certain parts of my house, believe it or not, did not come with lights, so it's really dark. So this was a cheaper alternative than paying however much these handyman's are going to charge you these days to install lights. It's expensive, you guys. It's expensive out here. So that was like a cheap alternative, and it's also visually aesthetically pleasing. So yeah, love my gallery wall lights. If you're interested, please go and check these out. The next item on my list is a pompous wreath, okay? So I was on Instagram scrolling, getting inspiration for my kitchen, and I came across an influencer, if I can remember, I don't remember her name, but if I can find the picture, I will place it here, okay? But she had this beautiful white kitchen, and I think this was probably during the fall time, she actually had a pompous wreath, and I thought that that was so cute. In my kitchen, I have this big kind of awkward space above my stove, and it looks like it's a space where the microwave is supposed to be, but the microwave is actually above an oven, my oven. So it looks like I have a double oven. So that space was just bare, and I was like, okay, I need something here. I'm not sure what to put here. Once I saw that picture, I was like, that is it. I want to get a pompous wreath. So of course I went to Instagram, found one that had one in different colors, but I'm gonna link the one that I actually have below. It really does add a level of chicness to my kitchen, and a level of softness as well. It looks so pretty, and I think the tone that I went with matches really nicely with my gold cabinet handles, which I also got from Amazon, so I'll link that too. But yeah, absolutely love this pompous wreath. It is a indoor outdoor wreath as well, so if you want to put it on your front door, you can. If you want to put it, you know, on patio door, wherever you want to put it, hang it up on the wall as wall decor, you can do whatever you want. And what I like about this is that it does not shed. So it's the oh goodness, I'm forgetting the name of the material, you guys, but it does not shed at all. It's the type of wreath that does not shed, or a type of pompous grass that does not shed, I should say. So yeah, super cute. If you're looking especially for fall decor, this is perfect. Okay, so I am going to link it down below, and they have multiple colors. Next on my list are my remote control under the cabinet lights. Okay, I am a big sucker for lighting, you guys, and I will continue to add lights all around my house. Okay, I just love the ambiance that lights really give off. And in my kitchen, I definitely needed some under the cabinet lights that were, you know, cheap, but also I still get a bang for my buck. Okay, so these particular lights, they're remote control, and they came in a set of 3, and so I use one remote, turn it on, all 3 of the lights come on. I can dim them as well. So it's just really a vibe, especially at nighttime when I don't want, you know, so many bright lights on, you know, during the nighttime. I can put on these cabinet lights, and it's just such a nice vibe, you guys. It's just such a nice vibe. Now, next on the list is knife set. I know you all have seen this knife set floating around on Instagram, on YouTube. Everybody has this knife set. Okay, when I saw it, fell in love, and I had to get it. It was aesthetically pleasing, and it looks really cute. The only thing is that when I purchased it, I did not realize it was going to be rose gold. Okay, there's nothing rose gold in my kitchen, but I still really love this knife set, so I opted to keep it because I just didn't want to go with black or something basic, so I kept it, okay, because it's super cute. What I love about the knife set is obviously it looks nice, it's aesthetically pleasing, but the knives really work. They're really sharp, okay? I love eating apples, and I can slice the apple super easy with these knives. Okay, the knives themselves do come with a sharpener and a pair of scissors as well, so it's truly a full set, and it was not that expensive. So if you're looking for a new knife set, I'm gonna link this one down below. Yeah, be sure to check it out. Next on my list is a wine rack. Okay, I came across this wine rack on Amazon. I wanted something that was simple. I wanted it to be black, okay, but I also wanted to be simple enough to kind of feel this blank space that I had kind of in my dining room area, and came across this and thought it was different. Again, my theme of my house is art gallery, so the pieces, I'm very strategic about, you know, what I put in my house, and this particular wine rack was very unique in that, you know, the curves, but it was also minimal enough. So it fit right in with my home decor, needless to say, but it looks really nice. It comes in a set of 2, and you can actually mount the rack on a wall, or you can mount it underneath a cabinet as well. So depending on what you fancy, I have both my I have both of my racks mounted on the wall currently, but at a certain point in time, if I decide I want to switch up the looks and put it underneath my kitchen cabinet, I might do that as well. But I really do love these racks. They hold up pretty nicely. It gives me the simplistic look that I was going for, and fills up my wall space just nice. Okay, so this next item, you guys, I was definitely influenced to buy this item. If you are into home decor on Instagram, you have to follow Everything Erin. I believe that's her name. She recently did a reel about decorating or styling a bar cart. She actually got this cart from Walmart, and it's so interesting because I don't know, I just have this thing where Amazon is my go-to if I want something fast, okay? Even though Walmart might do 2-day shipping, I still will opt to go to Amazon if I could find it there. So I went to Amazon, saw it was there. I actually added to my home registry, and my line sister bought it for me. So thank you, sissy. I absolutely love my bar cart. So yeah, it's super cute. Definitely goes with the aesthetic. I wanted something a little bit different. A lot of the bar carts that I've seen they all look the same, you guys. And I don't know if you all are familiar with Z Gallery, but this bar cart definitely reminds me of something that would be sold at a Z Gallery, okay? So that automatically checked the box, but absolutely love it. I'm actually thinking about getting another one, just so that it takes up the full width of the mirror, the area where I have it. And then what I like about having two is that I can put them together to make one long bar cart, or I can easily place them in different spaces around my house, you know, just to add to the aesthetic. So two can't hurt. So I'm probably gonna buy another one, but if you are interested, I will definitely leave the link down below. Okay, this is actually an important one, because I've tested a few brands, and I don't know, this last brand that I tested, I really love it, so I had to share this, okay? And this is Peel and Stick wallpaper. So I recently purchased faux brick wallpaper to put over my fireplace so I can have an upscale, sophisticated brick fireplace look. And I was super blown away by the quality of this Peel and Stick paper, okay? First of all, it was really easy to put on. I've tried Peel and Stick before, and I don't know, some other brands give me a lot of trouble, but this brand was different. Like, the quality of the paper was just really different than what I was used to. It didn't feel like a sticker. It really felt, I don't want to say like sandpaper, but it just felt like it was heavy duty quality. Also, the print of brick. So you guys, wallpaper print can be hit or miss, especially if you're trying to capture that brick vibe, okay? Some Peel and Stick wallpaper just looks very fake, and I did not want to come across, I didn't want the fireplace to look fake. I wanted to look as close to the real thing as possible. So if you saw it from far away, you would think, oh, that's actual brick, right? So I really do like the quality of the print. I like the quality of the paper. I also like the colorways that they use. It's a beige color, which is, I mean, I can show you guys inspo of the look that I was going for, and I can show you guys the wallpaper, how it actually came out. And I mean, you could barely tell the difference. Well, you let me know if you could tell the difference, okay? But I really do like how it came out. So I'm gonna put the exact brand of wallpaper that I got. So if you're interested in doing a faux brick fireplace or backsplash or whatever you want to do, look up this brand to see, you know, their designs, because it's really good quality. Next on the list are pillowcases, okay? And these are decorative pillows. So I actually have a few right here. There are so many cute pillow covers on Amazon, okay? This is one of the ones that I bought. Had this for a while. and I don't know, I just really love it. It's velvet, okay? And yeah, it's just a really cute pillow. So that's one, but I have several pillow covers throughout my house, so I will go ahead and link all of them for you. But you know, it's just really cute. What I love about these is that they're really cute to put on. It's just, you just unzip it, and I don't even know where this pillow came from actually. Where did I get this pillow from? I have no idea. I have no idea where this pillow insert came from, but as you can see, I just repurpose pillows and I just buy new pillow covers. What I'm going to start to do is make my own pillowcases, okay? So TBD on that, okay? Brittany Christina home coming soon. My coffee table, you guys. So I've had my coffee table since I was in my last apartment. It's been maybe about 2 years since I had it. I actually really love it, and I'm struggling getting rid of it. I don't want to get rid of it, okay? I really like it. It is a shadow box coffee table that's reversible. So one side is like a white marble, and if you flip it over, it's almost like a gray granite type of surface. So it is really cute. It's a great way to display a lot of your decor, a lot of your coffee table books, okay, without overcrowding the top of the table. So, and it was really easy to put together. And it's also, it matches the minimalist aesthetic that I'm going for in my home. So really, really cute for my space. Again, I'm having trouble getting rid of it. I don't want to. I want to upgrade, but like I don't want to get rid of this coffee table. So we're almost done. Last but not least, I spoke about this in a previous video, but I wanted to add this here because I am obsessed with this piece of furniture, okay? And this is my accent chair that I have in my office, okay? I was on the search for an accent chair that had vertical lines, that was velvet, and was also a cream color. Very specific needs, okay? And I happened to go on Amazon, came across this chair, absolutely fell in love. What I love about the chair, number one, is that it was very, very easy to put together. The chair actually has storage underneath it. So the legs and all the parts to actually create the chair, it was zipped inside the seat. So I thought that was pretty cool, because if you needed, you know, a safe or a stash or something that wasn't so obvious, you could buy this chair and like store, you know, stuff underneath the seat. But you know, if you're looking for that type of thing, I just thought that was like pretty cool how it came. But love the chair. It looks super cute, and it is really comfortable when I do sit in it, okay? So had to add that on my list in case you all were looking for a really cute accent chair. Okay guys, so that's it. We went through household items that I am loving right now, and I wanted to just simply share that with you all. So if you all are interested in any of the things that I've mentioned, all of the links will be down below, okay? Make sure you check them out and get you some for Prime Day, okay? So that's all for today. I will see you all in my next video. Bye.